Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the Chrome not opening issue on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on manage apps. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, if you can find show all system services option, just tap on it. Now as you can see, we currently don't have this option in this menu. Now from here, just tap on the screen and in the search bar, just search Chrome. Now from here, just tap on Google Chrome. Now from here, just tap on clear data and tap on clear caching. Now from here, tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just tap on storage. Now from here, tap on clear data and tap on manage space. Now from here, tap on clear all data. Now from here, tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the settings app. Now from here, just tap on about phone. Now from here, tap on storage. Now from here, just check if your phone's storage is full or not. If it is full, then delete some large files on your smartphone like photos and videos or any other files which you don't need, or just delete any unwanted apps on your smartphone to clear some space on your smartphone. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and press and hold on the power button to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, just swipe down and reboot your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to finish rebooting and to fix the Chrome not opening issue on your smartphone. Now from here, as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. Just open your smartphone. Now from here, just open the Chrome app. Now from here, just select your email and tap on continue. Now from here, tap on yes, I am in. Now from here, tap on more and tap on got it. This is how you can fix the Chrome not opening issue on your smartphone. If this did not fix your problem, just go to your home screen and open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on manage apps and search Chrome. Now from here, tap on Chrome and tap on uninstall all updates. Now from here, just tap on OK. And this is how you can fix the Chrome not opening issue on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.